Hello everybody, my name is Anthony McEntee and this is going to be my presentation for Anthropology 101. My presentation is going to be on a subculture of Thailand, a group known as the Nak Moi or Muay Thai fighters. As you can see, Thailand is quite the beautiful country. Thailand is located in Southeast Asia. It's located in the center of the Indo-Chinese Peninsula with a population of 68 plus million people. Thailand is surrounded by Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Malaysia. The Thailand climate is tropical with a monsoon season that brings heavy rains. A little bit of history about Muay Thai and the Nak Moi. Muay Thai is also known as the Art of Eight Limbs and Siam boxing. It was originated in Siam several hundred years ago. Siam was Thailand's previous name. Created as a method of close combat as a secondary weapon during battle, soldiers and fathers passed down the martial art through generations to their children, to their offspring. Returning soldiers would hold local competitions as a form of unity with villages backing local fighters. And Muay Thai became Thailand's national sport in the late 1920s by King Rama VII. Typical day of training. Most Nak Muay fighters start training in late childhood, 5 to 12 years old, as a way of helping their families with monetary gain. Thailand's still kind of an impoverished place. Actual physical training on an average day starts early in the morning. Most training sessions last 2 hours, which are preceded by a 5K run, so pretty intense. After the morning session, the Nak Moi eat their first meal and tend towards the cleanliness of their gyms. Afternoon naps are commonplace for the fighters to rest in between sessions. A typical training session starts with a 5K run, immediately followed by practice called shadow boxing. The rest of the 2 hours is divided up into pad work, sparring, core strengthening, and body hardening. The equipment that is worn by the Nak Moi for training include hand wraps, boxing gloves, fight shorts, and mouthpieces. Punchy bags, clinch bags, focus mitts, boxing rings, free weights, tire drags are all staples of Muay Thai gyms across Thailand. Religion is a big part of Muay Thai and the Nak Moi culture. Buddhists account for 90% of the practicing religious population in Thailand. While there's no recognized state religion, it is required by law that the king to be a practicing Buddhist. The nexus between the Nak Moi and the dense Buddhist population is often in question. Muay Thai being an extremely aggressive practice in contrast to the extremely peaceful lessons of Buddhism. There's a little bit of gray area there. In Thailand, the Nak Moi culture, Buddhism predates Muay Thai by centuries, obviously. The teachings of Buddhism, to include emotional balance, detachment from anger, conflict resolution, all translate into the methods of the Nak Moi. Since the fight is consensual, it is said to be nonviolent and in alignment with the Buddhist practice. Certain rituals are performed by the Nak Moi to appease spirits before the fights begin, such as the Ram Moi, bounding the corners of the ring, etc. We'll go into that later. Some of the customs and traditions we'll talk about is the Surama, aka Flang Moi, Thai music that accompanies the Muay Thai fights, performed by 4 musicians typically who match the tempo of the music to the tempo of the fight. The music aids in encouraging the fighters to fight harder. The instruments used are oboes, drums, and cymbals. You can kind of hear it in the background here. The Mongkol, the traditional headdress worn by the Nak Moi before commencing battle in the ring. This garment is worn to pay respects to the fighters' trainers, the gym, and the ancestry. Most Muay Thai gyms typically have one single Mongkol for all its fighters, and it is believed to bring good luck and protection to the fighter in the ring. Most Mongkol are blessed by Buddhist monks and carry with them many superstitions, to include it may not touch the ground because of its sacredness, and the fighters must enter the ring over the top rope while wearing it. The prejud, armbands worn by the biceps on the Nak Moi, often fashioned in the same manner as the Mongkol, believed to bring good luck and protection to the fighter. Folklore states that mothers of the Nak Moi would tear off fabric from their dresses and tie them around their sons' arms as a way of saying goodbye and to keep them safe when they would head to battle. The Ram Moi, aka the White Crew, is a ritual dance performed by the Nak Moi before the fight commences. The dance consists of different techniques and movements of the fighter's skill set to showcase their skills artistically. The Ram Moi is a tribute to the gym and trainers. Often, gyms will have a particular style that is unique to their lineage. Secondary effect of the Ram Moi is a sedative effect of the fighters, which essentially the dance almost puts the Nak Moi into a trance-like state and allows them to focus on their skill and negating emotion-fueled fighting. A common theme can be seen here in these traditions and customs of the Nak Moi as being based in respect and homage to their ancestry, religion, and mentors. This is a photo of me. I went to Thailand and trained and fought for 6 months. This is me winning my first fight. And the term Nak Muay Farang means Muay Thai fighter, foreign Muay Thai fighter, and it's becoming ever popular for fighters to travel to Thailand, specifically to train and learn Muay Thai and get a taste of this culture. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing all of the rest of the class videos.